Did you know that you can use your drawing tablet as a camera monitor? Well, I tried it and it worked. Here's how to do it. In this video, I'll be using my $5 drawing tablet I picked up at my local Goodwill. This particular model is an XP Pen Artist 12 Pro. It's an old one, but a good one. Here's what you need for this setup. First, you're going to need your DSLR camera, of course, with a mini HDMI connector. You're going to need your drawing tablet. You're going to need an HDMI female-to-female extension adapter. You also need a mini HDMI to HDMI cable. You will also need the cables that came with your drawing tablet. Here's how to connect everything together. First, we're going to connect the mini HDMI cable to the DSLR camera. Next, we're going to connect the end of the HDMI cable to the HDMI female-to-female extension adapter. Now we're going to connect the drawing tablet's HDMI cable to the HDMI female-to-female extension adapter. Now connect the red USB cable to the wall plug phone charger because it needs power. Now connect the USB-C cable to the drawing tablet. Now finally, the moment of truth. Turn on the DSLR camera and go on live view. You should be able to see yourself on the drawing tablet. Thank you for watching and be well.